Hello guys, sanibonani. Namhlanje ngifuna ukuniplaka ngema-herbs aka Indalo Enhle Herbs and Beyond. Lana uma ngabe ukuthi awutholi bantwana guys, we are here to help you. Uma ngabe ukuthi babe so uyahluleka ekamereni, we have umhlaba asuze. So ayikho into lesingayilaphi la, ngikhuluma ngema-cancer, mathambo, BP, ulcer, fibroids, noma ama-period pains sikhona. We are here to help you. So into lengithanda ngeindalo enhle ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi awufuni kunatha lama pills, the tablets, you can drink imbiza guys. We have a product ye liquid if ever awukhoni kunatha lama capsules. So indalo enhle guys ngithanda ngoba ayinawo ama chemicals, it's natural herbs. Ganzi ke iyatholakala eDurban, iyatholakala kimi eNelspruit, iyatholakala eGauteng. Everywhere la ukhona khona siyakhona ukuthi sikusendele lama products. Nanoma ugula ngisiphi isifo, you just tell us. Nema tampons akhona guys. Uma ngabe ukuthi awutholi bantwana, we are here to help you. Uma ngabe ukuthi nengadi yakho ayisahambi kahle, we are good lesinganako. As you can see guys, ayikho into lesinganayo. So kusafe kakhulu ukusebenzisa ma products ethu, even if unatha amaphilisi e-HIV, we are here to help you. So don't be shy, just contact us on the number on the screen. We will help you. Love you guys. Mwah.